fucking loud. It's ridiculous. My neighbors are gonna kill me. First time really driving this car. The first time we drove this car was when I test drove it with Tori, and within 2 minutes we got pulled over because of the exhaust. I wasn't even driving it hard, I was just idling at a light and the guy pulled me over as soon as I turned. We got the car registered today, it's insured, it's got the 10-day inspection, so we're good. If we get pulled over, well, we get pulled over. This car's not that hard to drive either. Dude, Bridgeport sounds so nasty. Let's go. This thing sounds so sick. I'm not even gonna get to boost yet. Oh my god. The tires are spinning. This car likes to be between 4,000 and 5,000 RPM. That's when it runs the most efficiently. Because this car has no torque whatsoever. This thing is rowdy. And the roads are super wet, so like I'm not going crazy. This is my first time like actually driving a Rotary in boost by myself. This car does have two-step as well. You just gotta have the clutch in and it activates at like 70-something hundred. Let's try a little two-step. This thing is crazy. I'm gonna smell like an oil rig after I get out of this car. Between the premix, we got a fresh tank of gas in there. Thank you, Tori, for that. It was like 18 gallons of gas. It's like a whole different experience compared to anything I've driven before, because obviously Rotary, it's a 1.3 liter. It makes no torque. It only makes a lot of power up top, but the clutch is not so bad compared to my friend Eric's. He had an FD too, but that had like a crazy clutch that was like an on-off switch. At least this one's nice, you can actually slip it. The car seems to run really, really healthy. Yeah, I can't wait to put the other exhaust on here. We're gonna do another video. This lady in the Mercedes behind me is like, what the hell is that? That's sick when you like at high RPM and you're barely on the gas. I just got a thumbs up from an S3. I'm not ready for the attention this car gets. Yeah, that thing is stupid.
Outside
And you just hear
and
brap?
I immediately heard it. That shit is loud.
Yeah, it's
Oh my god.
that was Jake. Yo, this car is crazy. I like when it just like that. That sounds so sick. Oh, this car is so fast. For how like small the engine is, it just moves. I just gotta like be mindful to keep the RPMs at like above 3K most of the time. Otherwise you just burn more gas. It doesn't run as efficient because it's not in like the power band. Thinking about doing a T51R mod to this turbo. I'm curious to see what kind of fuel mileage I get on this thing. Yo, this BMW in front of me is He's like, they got the quietest exhaust, but he's doing pulls with me. Let's get a car wash, why not? We got time. All right, guys, we are back. We just got the car wash. Car sounds phenomenal. Car looks phenomenal. Brap, 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 brap. We're idling at like 1,600 right now, which is about normal. I know some of the times the car can bump up to like 1,800 or 2,000, just depending how the car feels at that second. I don't know. To see it. Ooh, okay. We didn't install it. We haven't installed this car once yet, which is surprising. This car handles really nicely. You know, it's still raining, so like we're not gonna go crazy. But it goes where it needs to go. It's a little loose on the turns, like it's got body roll, but maybe they just need stiffer springs, or we'll go true coilovers just to get the car handling nice. Put maybe a sway bar in here. That'd probably be really good. Yeah, this car moves. It's like VTEC. Once you're in power band, this thing freaking moves. It flies. I wish the roads were dry right now so I could really give it some gas. But I'm gonna try to spin this thing into a tree right now on the first day. We got about like 30 minutes of driving this thing. It's a lot of fun. Gets a lot of comments. Just looking at me like, what the heck is going on right now? Why does this car sound like that? Hopefully you enjoyed that little ride along with me. I think I'm gonna close out the video here. You got a little bit of a driving experience. I'm gonna roll up these windows because you probably can't even hear me that well. But yeah, this car sounds sick. I'm really excited about owning this car. There's so much content I can do with this thing. It's just the braps, the engine, the way it looks, the mods, the wheels, like everything in this car is so rare. Mazda speed parts, Recaro Spectrum seats, got Momo, we got Bridgeport built by the best shop in the United States for Rotaries. So I'm excited, and we'll see where this car takes us. I hope to own this for quite a bit of time, and hopefully I don't run into any issues being that, you know, unreliable rotary engine, but it was built by the best. It was tuned by one of the best, and we'll take it from there. Just gotta take good care of the car, and it will take good care of me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was really awesome to make, and we'll see you in the next one. See you guys.